Well, I didn't think I would do a review of this pop-up tent when we got it, but I was wrong. So this is a 13 by 13 core pop-up canopy. A little while back we made a video of trying to replace the canopy on our Ozark Trails slant leg tent. The replacement canopy was absolutely horrible. Tore while we were putting it on. I would not recommend it. Now we can't even use that thing unless I want to go and buy another canopy top that hopefully fits the Ozark Trail 10 by 10 slant leg. Anyway, we were at Costco shopping, saw this thing on sale. It was $109 at the time. Now it's gone back up to $169, and you can find comparable prices online for this exact same thing. So shop around for it, I would say. Anyway, we got it. It's very sturdy, good material. Came with these stakes. We put it up. The video off of the Core website says you can put this thing up in 2 minutes. Maybe in a couple months we can put this up in 2 minutes, but we did not put it up in 2 minutes. Anyway, we got it together, popped it up. As you can see, the guy in the factory video is much stronger than me because he did it with one hand instead of two. The material on here is great. The design is perfect. The water just flows off of it and does not sag, and the legs are where you can put them on uneven ground, which works out really good. It was very cool underneath of it. It blocked the sun very well. 50 UV protection. We put a light up in it. We put our little string lights in it. Here's where you can get it on Amazon. There's our string lights. Anyway, check this thing out. It's really not bad. If you're looking to upgrade, definitely check out the Core 13 by 13.